Hi everyone, this is the video that goes along with online work number 31. We're not going to do anything new for this lesson. We're just going to review circumference and area. We're going to make sure you understand when to use which and what your formulas are. So why don't you take a minute, get a piece of paper, and write down what you remember about area and write down what you remember about circumference. Do you remember what they mean? Some real life examples of when you'd use each one? The formulas for each. Take a minute, write down what you remember, pause the video, and then come back as I go over it. So remember, area always talks about covering something. Like if you're carpeting a floor, if you're laying grass seed on the lawn, if you are covering your pool or painting something. Area always talks about covering something. And it always gets measured in square units, square inches, square centimeters, square feet. And the formula for area is area equals pi times the radius squared. Circumference always talks about the distance around something, the distance around a circle. Circumference is specifically about circles. And it gets measured in regular old units, regular inches, centimeters, feet. And it would get used anytime you need to find the distance around a circle. Like if you were putting fencing around a circular garden or the trim around your pool. We talked about if you were running around a track and you wanted to know how far you ran. Or even the circumference of your bike tires tell you how far you go on every rotation. The formula for circumference is pi times diameter. Remember coffee, pie, and donuts? Remember this one was apple pie and raisins too? Now you could, if you like, for circumference, use 2 pi r, and that would work just as well if they gave you the radius instead of the diameter. So in today's lesson, you are reading the problems to determine if they're talking about area or circumference. Are they talking about covering a circle, or are they talking about measuring around the outside of a circle? And then after you determine whether it's area or circumference, make sure you use the right formula. Have a great day. Let me know if you need any help.